When you need a staple for your DIY projects, Arrow's JT21 staple family is the crafter's choice. These fine wire staples are a light-duty alternative to Arrow's other heavy-duty staple families. Of course, the term light-duty refers to the scale of the intended projects, not the strength of the staples, which are made with the same durability as all Arrow staples. These staples are best suited for stapling into fabrics, cardboard, paper, and thin plastics. With a 7/16 inch crown width, JT21 staples are available in 3 leg lengths: 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, and 3/8 inch. A multi-pack with all 3 sizes is available as well. The fine wire makes these staples very easy to fire, so they're perfect for individuals with limited grip strength. Get a tight hold with every staple. JT21 staples are easy to remove, making them perfect for situations that require a temporary hold. Perfect for crafts and do-it-yourself projects, general home repairs, and light upholstery projects. JT21 staples work with all JT21 style staple guns, including Arrow's JT21 CM, JT27, and TT21 manual staple guns, Arrow's P21 plier staple gun, and Arrow's E21 electric stapler. Thanks for stopping by the Arrow Workshop. Be sure to tag Arrow Fastener on social media. We'd love to see the projects you're working on.